My translation says, faith is a thing before the thing is a thing. So you look at faith, you see it, and you are convinced yonale. Kodwa wakayibambe ngesandla. Let me simplify my statement. Uke wafika umuntu esendlini elambile. Isinkwa sisesitolo, umbuso uzodla nathi isinkwa. Mongazibuza ukuthi uyishiso inlento, uyishiso 20 rand. Because mayibuka 20 rand, it is the assurance. Faith puts you in a terrain of possibilities. So you have landed la izinto zenzakala khona. That terrain is called faith. Because kokholwayo all things are possible. So I say into ngathi makuthiwa hayi sesaza masahluleka nawe ufika uvuma uthi hayi sahluleka sonke akusahlulekeki. Akusahlulekeki because you are carrying a principle that turns things to possibilities. In other words, you cannot fail in faith. Mangphinde, you cannot fail in faith. But when it comes to faith, it's a terrain of possibilities. It is in the records of Daniel. The Bible tells us, the right was on the bam. Ngoba begiwe inkosi sekuzothandaza yona kuye kwelezi izinto ezithandazwayo. And manje sibeka isithixo inkosi esizothandaza. Bakhona amadoda amathatha anqabayo ukuthandaza. Hayi ngeke sikwazi ukuthandaza lento kade yakhiwa siyibhekile. Bathi cha, oh sorry, bathi cha. Yathi ungathi wathi omunye useuNkulunkulu manini lo ngoba mina obeshayelela lapha. Right. Yeah. So the record tells us then inkosi yasibabiza ke for punishment. Ngizanifaka emlilweni serious ngalento yami. This is the statement of the three men. Basho izinto eziwu2. They said to the king, inkosi, our God is able. That's what we call faith. Our God is able. He shall deliver us from this fire. He shall deliver us. And they said also, uma futhi akasikhiphe khona into engashintshe ngathi ngaye. So whether siyasha noma sishi asishintshe ngaye ngoba faith is only faith when it is faith in God. When he has not moved, when he has not done anything, but you are glued to him. Ubona yena ubheke yena umthandaza akawuphenduli kodwa umbone ehleze esihlalweni, then we call it faith. Ukhale umbone emkhulu, wehlakalelwe izehlakalo umbone emkhulu, then we call it faith. Akufunakali, let me put it this way, never allow the answered prayers to be your faith anchor.